Good morning, second graders. Happy Monday. We're going to start today by reviewing a little bit about what we learned on Friday. Okay, so there are three different sounds that we know the letter A can make. Can you think about what those three sounds are? If we were in the classroom, I'd call on you to show me what you remember. The first sound that we know A can make is short A. And short A says apple. Then the second sound that A can make is long A. Long A says its name, like in the word cake. A. Hear how it says A, cake. And then that third sound that we just learned on Friday, do you remember what that was called? It's called schwa A, and it sounds like a short U, as in the word ago or amaze. You hear that A in ago? It doesn't sound like apple or a. It sounds like ago, amaze. Okay? Now let's practice some more words that have that schwa A sound. Okay, so you can get a piece of paper and a pencil if you like, and you're going to try to spell these words, okay? The first word I want us to spell is alarm, okay? So the first syllable is and the second syllable is larm, larm, alarm, alarm. How do you think you spell that? Is A, alarm. Okay, now let's spell the word apart. So the first syllable is and the second syllable is part, apart. Okay, it has that schwa A at the start. Apart. All right, let's try away. Okay, first syllable, second syllable, way, away. Okay, so I know it starts with a schwa A, and then way, a. It could be just A. What spelling pattern for long A comes at the end of the word? A-Y. A-W-A-Y. All right, let's try the word alone. First syllable, second syllable, l-o-n, lone, alone. So now I know it starts with schwa A, and then I hear a l and a o and an n. Now it could be O consonant E, or that O could be OA. Let's try that. O-A. Or it could be O-W. O. Now as you look at those three, hopefully one of them is standing out to you as the one that is the right one. It's not this one. Remember that O-W usually comes at the end of words like low, or show, or grow. Okay, not in the middle of the word. OA comes in the middle of the word. And O consonant E is a spelling pattern for an O in the middle of a word. It's this first one, alone. Okay, let's try alike. First syllable, second syllable, like, alike. Maybe you know how to spell the word like. Alike. And now I have a schwa A word that has a suffix at the end. Amazing. Isn't it amazing to think of all the spelling rules we've learned so far this year? Amazing. So the base word is amaze. Amaze. Could be a consonant E, could be a I. Oops, I forgot the C. It could be a Y, but remember we just said a Y comes at the end of the word, like up here, away. So does one of those two look right? This one's right. Now, I didn't say amaze. I said amazing. Suffix ing. That's vowel suffix, right? It starts with a vowel, it starts with I. So what do we have to do? Drop the E and then add suffix ing. Amazing. Now we're going to move on, and I have two new red words for you today. The first red word is, what do you think that word says? Again? Are you saying again? This is the word again. What do you think the word again means? If we were in the classroom, I'd say, can anyone use this word in a sentence? And you might raise your hand and say something like, I can't wait to see you again, or Mrs. Kane, why are we doing schwa-A's again? Okay, the word again means to do something once more. Like, it was good to see friends again. We've done it once, or maybe lots of times, and we're going to do it once more. Again means to do it once more. Again. Let's skywrite again, okay? A, G, A, I, N, again. All right, and the second red word is very similar to again. The second red word is, look at this, it looks just like again. If I just cover up these last two words, it starts with again, and then it has this blend at the end. So how do you think you'd say that word? Against. Against. Have you ever heard that word used? Against? I would ask you to raise your hands if you had an idea of how to use it in a sentence, and somebody might say, I am against keeping wild animals in cages, or I am against homework on weekends. Okay, what does it mean if you're against something? Against means in opposition to. Opposition means if you oppose something, it means that you think it's wrong or that you don't like it. So against means that you don't like something or you think something is wrong if you're against something. Okay, so let's skywrite against. A, G, A, I, N, S, T. Against. And those are our two new red words. So next tomorrow when we do our review, you'll see these two words in our stack of red word review. Okay, and we'll keep putting it in the stack until we start to memorize it. If you remember, way at the beginning of the year, we had words like put and they. And I've taken those out because you've memorized those because we did them so much. All right, great job today, second graders.